Hello, my name's Andrew. I'm an observer in the Royal Navy, currently serving at 815 Naval Air Squadron at Royal Naval Air Station at Yeovilton. I wanted to join the Navy when I went to school, and there was a CCF section at the school, a combined cadet force. Part of this was the Royal Navy, and that led me to be awarded a sixth form scholarship for my sixth form studies at school and onto an engineering bursary at Oxford Brookes University. The training in the Royal Navy to become an observer is quite intensive and takes about 4.5 years. It starts off at Britannia Royal Naval College in Dartmouth, where you spend a year learning how to be an officer within the Royal Navy. You then move down to Cornwall and to Royal Naval Air Station Culdrose. You spend a year here with 750 Squadron and conduct basic observer course. This is where you learn the initial parts of how to become an observer. Being an observer is the integration of the systems and weapons into an aircraft such as this, the Lynx Mark 8 Saturn. Well, our job mostly entails looking after our pilots and making sure they're getting the aircraft to the right position. Then also, once you've got to that position, using the aircraft to fight the aircraft to achieve the mission. This might be looking for pirates in Somalia, where you can be in the back of the aircraft firing the heavy machine gun, to conducting secondary roles where we again jump in the back and can use the hoist, so the winch, to pick people out of the water, so conducting search and rescue. When you're sitting in the front like I'm sitting now, we operate the sensors and the radios, the communications, and again that's all used to fight the aircraft. So the job is to fight the aircraft, and I do get to press the red button which releases the missiles, torpedoes, depth charges and such. You also get to operate from land bases such as RNAS Yeovilton in Somerset, but also being small ships flights, we operate off the back of ships such as my last deployment with HMS Somerset, protecting the oil platforms in and around Iraq. The skills and character required to become an observer in the Royal Navy: you need to be flexible, intelligent, you need to be able to multitask. It's a demanding job, but a very rewarding one. The skills I have acquired from the Royal Navy, which I could take into civilian life, are management of people, leadership of people, and also operating in environments up to 50 degrees Celsius with no air conditioning. The next couple of steps in my career path are to finish off my first frontline tour as a flight observer, and then hopefully move on to instruction over at 702 Squadron, which is the instructional squadron for the Lynx aviation platform.